I have a small garden at my apartment. It has few flowers, tomatoes, and Chinese beans. I love my garden, so I always water it on time. However, I could not water it today because I was busy. What do you think I did? Tembi is saying I asked my husband to water the garden. My husband was at work. Murungen did ask if I have a child. Yes, I have a son. He's only 5. Burungeni says I asked my son to water the garden. Is it fair for me to ask my 5-year-old son to water the garden? Trevor said it's not fair. Why do you say so? Trevor thinks my son is too small to do tough jobs. Are you strong, Trevor? You should come and water my garden then. Okay, today we're going to learn about life at an orphanage. What is an orphanage? You're correct, Noma Tamsang. An orphanage is a place where children with no parents live. What do you call children who lost their parents? Yes, Trevor, orphans. Today we're going to listen to the YouTube video. I want you to do 5 things, okay? First, write down the keywords that you hear. Second, use your imagination. See what Oliver Twist sees and feel what he feels. Third, identify how they use transition. Fourth, pay close attention to words that are stressed. Finally, follow closely to the pronouns used, like he, she, him, them, and so forth. After listening to this audiobook, you're going to fill in the blanks in the worksheet I gave you when you walk in. Everyone has the worksheet, right? Okay, good. Remember, the first thing you're going to write down the keywords, right? Number 2, you're going to use your imagination. Number 3, you identify transitions like then, after, etc., right? Number 4, you pay attention to stressed words. And then the last one, you're going to recognize the pronouns. Anybody with a question? Okay, we're going to get started. Everyone be ready? We're going to play the video. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and fill in the worksheet that I gave you. As you were listening, you'll be filling in the sheet. Let's get started. All right. Okay, now let's see what we find out. Number 1, Dash towns in England had a workhouse. Yes, all towns in England had a workhouse. Who can answer number 2? Oliver Twist was born at a dash. Yes, Oliver Twist was born at a workplace. Very good. Number 3. When Oliver Twist was born, his mother said, "I want to see my baby and do what?" Who can answer that? I want to see my baby and then die. Very good. That was really sad, right? Okay, our 4th question. Dash knew where Oliver's mother came from. Who can answer that? Who knew where Oliver's mother came from? Nobody, alright? Nobody knew where Oliver's mother came from. That was good. Okay, number 5. Oliver Twist was a or and dash because he had no parents. Yes, everyone got that one, right? Oliver Twist was an orphan because he had no parents. That was a lesson book, right? A place where people with no parents live is called a what? Okay, yes, because we talked about this earlier, right? It's called an orphanage. Many children died because they were dash and dash. Who can answer the first one? Just choose any. Many children died because of the cold. Yeah. It was the cold and what? Anyone who can answer? The last one? Yes. Many children died because they were cold and hungry. Very good. That was good.